Hi, this is Abhishek Patil. I'm working as a pre-sales solution associate at Conceptia Konnect. I will be explaining regarding SOLIDWORKS Composer. Creating product manual, assembly instructions, service guides, and training documentation can be time-consuming process. Every design revision means updating screenshots, illustrations, and documentation all over again. This not only delays the product launches but also increases the chances of costly error. Meet the SOLIDWORKS Composer, your technical communication solution that transforms your existing 3D CAD model into high-quality visual contents. Create professional documentation directly from your engineering data without modifying the original 3D CAD model. With SOLIDWORKS Composer, you can quickly create interactive assembly instructions, exploded view animation, service and maintenance manuals, installation guide, spare part catalog, high-resolution technical illustrations, sales and marketing visuals. And the best part is, when your CAD model changes, your documentation can be updated faster, saving valuable engineering time. Whether you are in manufacturing, industrial equipments, automation, or product design, SOLIDWORKS Composer helps you reduce the documentation time, improves the communication across department, minimize assembly and service errors, deliver better customer experience, accelerate time to market. Even non-CAD user can create professional technical documentation using Composer interface. Take your technical communication to the next level with SOLIDWORKS Composer. Contact Conceptia Konnect, your authorized SOLIDWORKS reseller, to schedule a live demo and discover how the Composer can simplify your documentation process.